much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e wo too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so na ye de bremu one god nie the only one god in GH eho na da bia mehwe abrechefo ene Ghana for mo wiasa fa na me recommend emamo too much GH.
Ghana for me mamo akwaba shonko ede eba too much GHS so moso for munuaba na ama obusua eni na sabe minimum ede share so de na trending issues na na se medemo kom na busua for ensema aba ebeto dwa ene day what trending issues emu efa NPP amanyuko no wo reaction a wo ede abeto abonten efa NDC Supreme Court election petitioner wo educator and rather any no nation's addresser your former president John Dramani Mahama edi ebetu dano emu na according to NPP amanyuko na atese wo so edi press release we ababonte atese wo atchotchofo director communication director Yabwabin Asamwa NSS sensa inkrata yi asia wodi ebetu dan wo etra nyemba bi atese ewo election petition NDC for a president Edema Supreme Court to create say fi asase no grapo no case no enye ni papa mu tese case no ganye emunye dru case no enyina case no dey ebebo to because bi omo atchocho wo wo election petition no emunu HSA ye wo mu case wo mo dey ba no grapo no mu no wo ni facts any figures am metimi e dia back am case no aye strong enti check grapo no ye Supreme Court entem we won che wo grapo bet na so na te say emretia we mu we di na te say akọ edietia NDC amanyuko no na ebiemu nso no according to communication director no Yabwabin Asamwa press statement we release Ediama party no what try NPP so the legal team ebeba at say woman legal team be gina approve say ensema John Dramani Mahama the petition they akoto Supreme Court any matter say etia electoral commission no eni musa to wo so ebefa legal team a ono so be gina mu approve say electoral commission wanye body dia na election conducted on the 7th of December 2020 no na a free fair and just say woman so shop said woman no sa na esifa etie na say mampeni Ekufuaddo EC chairperson no ebon din say wono na afa aba no na fair and a square according to woman director of communications no now the woman 7 no to dan will make it point to be woman able from my premina point no makeka ebi ede among same. The evidence presented by the NDC has only reassured the people of Ghana that Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuaddo won the election. The fact of transparency of the general elections was also resoundingly affirmed by the myriad of local and international observers that participated in the electoral process. NDC's John Mahama, who grounds his petition on supposed errors made by the Electoral Commission, has himself submitted a petition fraught with errors, including requesting a runoff between himself and the Electoral Commission. So when say former President JM the electoral competition called the Akoto Supreme Court in Mkapono according to NPP communicator no from so bakum you be a woman so was a friend say woman runoff between one anka mu and the Electoral Commission I know to say not possible who amenyoko Electoral Commission edwoko ehwe abato so ninti say runoff be grandpa won't be any between one Electoral Commission ebe wo any amanyoko fofo ebi entenant say Electoral Commission no ahwe so ninti hono no wo mo ebom from so no eso say wono kra body petition de komponu na emu enye pefe sante den and okobo EC so the result of the buyer from so back you know be emu omu a ntema so no so gina so nsem no eka ema the case go represent kwapono emu ha na biem so sa de kan biem say it is also unfortunate that even after filing the petition in court, the NDC led by John Dramani Mahama continues to incite supporters to pour out onto the streets to cause chaos and anarchy. Disappointed said womo siese womo epa sunde na womo epre kebi mami kebi amemmo no diama eye wo man Ghana ni ebiem so womo epe ahwe se eye atentene ebe koso ediama wo man mu na womo eye John Dramani Mahama onokro ya sa kache ne supporters so wom santi sikrom na tese ebufuo mu no womo enka eye womo koso enye ensema enye papa e wo man mu na tese eye ni papa mu a enisa na ebiem so odeka ho se we are absolutely confident that the facts and figures as presented in court, even by the NDC, will very easily, in a transparent and indisputable manner, reaffirm the expressed will of the voting public that President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo won the 2020 presidential election one touch and convincingly so. They lied to their supporters that they have won and started referring to John Dramani Mahama firstly as the president-elect. Now they have backtracked, settling futilely for a runoff which they themselves know will not happen. They have attempted and continue to use lies, threats, violence, and intimidation to seek formally to overrule the manifest will of the people as freely expressed on the 7th December. It is highly irresponsible of John Dramani Mahama to commence the judicial process, yet to admonish his supporters to continue with the violent protests that have threatened the security and peace of Ghanaians and caused Ghanaians to live in unnecessary fear and panic over the past few weeks. Not as an NPP for so press release a woman able to the EFA petition, election petitioner and this Amanyoko at the Aqua Supreme Court. The Yama woman, some woman eka the omo extreme say court no ebeye at Yamo woman and no and as the NDC NPP for Amanyoko no so a year woman communication director at the Abetu that true press release now more ekas and 70 yano a more heart to say and yes to say enche woman ebe to can say no query dear woman say yeah man penin and Akufo-Addo no work so from 2021 to 2024 no ebebe musa ma to be anya no entiase afterwards na ebucha force na ensem no koyi de we abeka we su abeka won so abuhwe wagyenche efa ensem no ewo etisen bomodi ya nefa so me ewo comment section na bi so share video we on other social media platform following ewo Instagram and Twitter so @tumagh_, Facebook @tumagh meeting at na ama obuso na me adoma ibe de share be makram